How to turn off restricted mode on YouTube. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can turn off restricted mode on YouTube, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you would like to turn off restricted mode on YouTube because maybe you have enabled restricted mode for some reason, or if it's already enabled by default, just tap the profile icon from the bottom right corner of the screen here, and then you're going to be able to see this, where what you need to do is just simply tap the gear icon from the very top right hand side of the screen there, and then you'll find the option called General at the very top. So just tap on General. If you scroll down to the General tab over here, you'll find an option that says Restricted Mode, which if it is enabled, you won't have access to most of the contents on YouTube. So you want to make sure to turn off the restricted mode over here, and then only you'll be able to access all the videos. This way you should be able to turn off restricted mode on YouTube. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.